They don't hack Wood Maya account to Wood Maya, our Ghana brother. They don't hack your account to my people. My people, I just see this. I just try to enter our brother China Wood Maya. I find out other people they make video that they live for there. My people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Please, me una call Wood Maya. I type in name. Now this name una they see so that they are not any of his video. No any of his video. They don't hack his channel. Except Wood Maya bring his channel out. Say make they use her. Is it possible? Let me know. Wood Maya, if you see this our video, please make noise for your Instagram or for any place, please. If not so, they are hack Wood Maya channel. Guys, our people, our brothers, our sisters, our brother channel, they don't hack her. If not be in, bring her come out, because I try to enter Miss Judy. Now they see I try to enter Miss Judy channel, that is Wood Maya wife, because anytime you enter and you will they see them. Then now still the same name, that is Wood Maya channel. Now those people for they do live stream, so those men now Wood Maya channel therefore they do live stream, so and they put and say if you not subscribe, you not fit type. And me, I subscribe to Wood Maya channel. I don't really know what they happen. Our brother Wood Maya, we need your attention. If not be you do your channel don't hack. Your channel don't hack. Yes, no any of your video, they delete all your video out of your platform. No, and you don't get any video, just only one video night day. Now till they see and now these people now that they make live stream for your video channel now. That they make live stream. Please, guys, if you dey close to Wood Maya, tell him to come out and make a noise. If na him, give a platform out. If no be him, a platform they don't hack am. Yes, Wood Maya platform they don't hack am. Maybe I don't know. Maybe na Wood Maya bring her out and give her out, or maybe they just because no one of Wood Maya single video a day. My people, there is something I don't understand about a Wood Maya platform now. I try to click Wood Maya like this, a platform, then it go they bring this thing come outside. Macro waiting. Now see, and then I go try to enter here. I'll try to enter here. Or any of Wood Maya video not there. The only video when it now this one. Then if you click on now only this one I did now. The remaining video they delete her. No video for this no video at all. See how they say no video. Now they say no video. But now this name, I beg. If now they close to Wood Maya, may una call your attention. If you are close to Wood Maya, call his attention. Then see your wife platform now. Then you can't go down. See the same thing. You click on. People did the live stream. People did the live stream 5.5k watch. Now see whether na Bitcoin they hack, I don't know, but whether it bring the platform out. Only subscriber, and I subscribe to Wood Maya channel, but I don't understand. I say subscribe only mode. You see, if you dey close to him, let him know. Except he bring his channel out, he let people to make use of his channel. If not, Wood Maya, our brother, somebody is making use of your channel. Okay, I just say let me make this video so that you will know quick if not you. Okay, if not be you, may you know the that is what to do. See now let them day your community or nothing at all, nothing. Okay, only this your video 9 day now. Only this video. Only this 9 day. You see? If you bring her out, let us know.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.